fuck is that sound? Free whip.
Yo, what's good, y'all? It's SRT Aidann back for another video. Today's video, we're just gonna be doing like a city POV drive in my Dodge Charger Pursuit. We'll be rolling the windows down, showing you guys how it sounds in between the buildings. Just driving around, exploring at night. It's gonna be nice. I'm gonna be doing some highway driving before we get to the city though, so I'm gonna include some of that in here too. And if y'all like the little intro skit that I did, I just did like a stupid little thing, you know, just to edit in for fun. But this is gonna be my first like real edited video that I've done by myself. I got DaVinci Resolve, I got my new computer, so it's gonna be all edited like professionally, technically, but not by a professional. So we'll see how it comes out. Anyways, I'm gonna flip the camera and I'm gonna get right into this. Y'all know that Boston video is coming hella soon. Taking the Dodge Charger Pursuit to Boston, that's coming mad soon. Y'all stay tuned for that for sure, because I'm definitely hella excited for that video. And yo, go into the comments right now, and everyone watching this video, let me know how your day was. Let me know what car you drive. Let me know anything. Just go ahead and comment something so I can, you know, interact with y'all. I really like doing that. Probably 95% of you guys, I'm gonna write back to your comments, unless they're like hate comments. But if y'all are being for real and you're just trying to talk to me, definitely go leave a comment and I'll respond to you 100%. If y'all remember, or for any of my old viewers that watched my videos before, I took them all down, but you know this spot right here, I used to go on the shoulder all the time, shoulder driving. And I know that I told y'all last video that these were gonna be fixed, but I haven't gotten around to it. I've been being lazy, slacking, and I've had a lot of other stuff going on, so just been procrastinating about it. But they're gonna be done this weekend for sure. At least the check engine light should, and the ABS light, and like the traction light, those should be done as well, as long as the place near me gets the parts in time. I'm gonna plug a song real quick. If y'all don't listen to drill music, then you probably won't like it. But if y'all mess with drill music, y'all definitely go check out Kenzo Bala. Go listen to his new song, War Ready. That shit is fire. Yo, if you're looking for some music to drive to, put on that song. Let me know what angle y'all like better. This is the wide that I got on right now, and then I got a super wide. I believe I used the super wide in the story time video, the police story time video. If y'all haven't seen it, go check it out. It's probably, I think it's my second video posted on the page, so y'all should be able to find that pretty easy. Oh shit, we got the boys right there. Got the boys right there. There he is. Woo. All right, we're in the city, y'all. Who's behind us? Yeah.
2 hours later.
The city. smells like it smells like fair food out here or something. I don't even know. It smells kind of good though, low key. That's the first time I've ever had it smell good out here. Alright, y'all. Drop this shit down in the second gear. We do gotta go get gas. I gotta get my brakes done on this bitch too. I know y'all can hear these damn brakes. These shits are bad. I'm taking it out of automatic or fucking, I'm slow, manual. Oh, this is gonna follow him. Caused an accident out here. We are on E. Lower than E. And I hit the gas station. If y'all know any car meets around New Hampshire, Mass, Maine, even maybe Connecticut, bro, what the fuck? If y'all know of any of those around that area, yo, hit me up with them. Look at this, homeless shelter's packed. This shit's bad out here. If y'all know of any of those, hit me up for sure, because I definitely want to pop out to some meets when I get this like more upgraded and shit, because right now it's kind of like still stock, but I'm gonna be getting more on it for sure. Gee, if y'all are from around here, you know where we're at right now. You know where we at right now. Y'all are about to see how cheap I am. How cheap the fuck I am. Watch this shit. Being a bitch, bro. Damn, this thing does not want to press like every time I come here. Y'all check this shit out. Watch that pump. That's just gonna go to $10 because I'm cheap as fuck. I'm not broke, I'm just cheap. I need my G. I need my G on me. I need my G on me. Hey, but y'all let me know if y'all want to see any type of videos. I say it every video, but there's new viewers every single video. So if y'all want to see a certain type of video, drop that shit down in the comments. Drop that shit down in the comments for me though, for real, because I need some video recommendations. I've been coming up with ideas. I only got so many that I can come up with, so y'all let me know. But I'm about to take this gas out and we're gonna finish this video. Let's do this shit. Cheap. Never want to fill my shit up. Ever. Never want to fill this bitch up. Ever. It's just gonna be on like a quarter tank. Yup. I'm so slow. Alright, let's go. rattling like crazy. I got some tailpipe extenders back there, and those things are crazy right now. They're bad. They just keep rattling all the time. It's so annoying. We're not like downtown no more, but now we're in like, we're literally like what, a minute and a half from downtown? Not even a minute and a half. We're like the outskirts of downtown type shit. That's where we are right now. Honestly, I want to go this way. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna just cut this shit this way. Alright, y'all. Go. Thought that was the D's. Had me shitting. Bro, these brakes are killing my head. I wish I could put music on when I record these videos, but of course, I cannot. Of course, I cannot. Yo, one thing I cannot get over is like how weird it feels when someone pulls up beside me in a car and I'm just holding a camera. Like, I don't know, I feel so weird. I'm trying to get used to it, but it feels so weird. Like, people look at you crazy and all that. I don't know, it's just awkward. Yeah. Tell him to race. Tell him to race. Tell him to race. I'm just kidding, bro. That's good. That is an unmatched battle. Bro, I cannot. This car, it just sounds like shit on the inside right now. Everything just sounds bad on it. I know I mentioned it earlier in the video, but how do y'all feel about like city lights and shit? Like, I don't know, I just feel like they give me like a nice feeling in my body. Like when I'm just driving around at nighttime and everything's all lit up, there's mad people outside, it's just like, you know, it makes you feel a certain type of way. Like, I don't know, and nothing else gives me a feeling like that. Like, there's nothing else in the world that gives me that feeling. So I love it. But some people, they like to be secluded, they like to do their own thing, you know, they you know. But for me personally, I love the city lights. I love all that. Like, I don't know, just the way it makes you feel. Like, I don't necessarily like being around a bunch of people, but like when there's a bunch of people outside, like even if they're not with you, they could just be random ass people, you know. But like, it just like, I don't know, maybe y'all understand me, maybe you won't. I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel like it gives me a good feeling. I am gonna end the video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed. I know there really wasn't much to this video. It was kind of unplanned. I just really wanted to drop a video for y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what y'all want to see next for a video, and I'll be sure to get that put through and make that. Otherwise, I don't really got much else to say. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.